Wedding Wix website on mobile is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you can create Wix website on mobile. So for that, as you can see, I'm at the Wix application. Here you have to download application as well, and what it will do is it will help you set up the account. If you already have a website, it will help you adjust the settings, connect to domain. However, if you want to edit the website, or if you design the website, you won't be able to do it through the app. In order to do it, you simply have to go to the browser. So for that, we will go to the Google Chrome, and the Google Chrome, you simply have to search for Wix, and then you have to go to the website called as Wix.com. You have to sign up. After signing up, you will be able to edit website like you do in your computer here on your mobile phone. So that's pretty much it. I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this. So they have 4